Hello, hello. Welcome back to Faith, Feathers, and Fur. I'm Grace. Here we share every week real moments of life with animals, faith, and the beauty of creation. This week has been full of surprises, from orcas gliding by to a tiny miracle bunny named Pip, to broody hens getting ready for new life. Let's jump in and share a little of the wonder and the wild with you. Whether it's a curious deer passing by in the middle of the day, or my German Shepherd on alert in night vision, life here is never boring, even in the dark. The orcas came by powerful, playful, peaceful, and such a reminder of God's wild and beautiful creation. They were just passing by off in the distance, hence the massive zoom and quite unsteady videoing. Apologies. Our VIP, very important poultry girls hanging out. The dogs soaked it all in, chasing waves and each other. These carefree moments always bring me back to gratitude. Lincoln and I have had some cuddle time recently. He's been spending so much of his time outside and enjoying the day, but this week he shifted gears, choosing more time with Mom. We've soaked in the snuggles, and I'm not complaining one bit. The chickens had their own adventures. Of course, scratching, exploring, announcing their important chicken business, and having some squabbles. We had quite the unexpected addition this week. Meet Pip. His story is a special one. One of the dogs actually found him weak, tiny, and alone, and by God's grace and a lot of TLC, our little Pip is now safe, warm, and thriving. He's already got a strong little spirit and such a big appetite, and we just love him dearly. This is Amelia. She went missing for almost a whole week before we finally found her. It turns out she wasn't just missing for a week. She was up to something for a week. We found her hidden away, tucked into this little hole. And lo and behold, she was sitting on a clutch of eggs. Are we doing something? Can we see what you're doing? Can we see? Hi. Can we see what you're doing? That funny sounding noise is what the mama hens make to keep predators away and protect their little babies. This is Lisa, and about a day after we found our little Amelia, she went broody on us. So we ended up taking some of the eggs that Amelia had already started and split them up between the two hens. So, coming very soon, we'll have a lot of little ones to watch. Lincoln's trying to get his rest now. Thanks for coming along for another week of life with feathers and fur and a whole lot of heart. Whether it's a rescued bunny, broody hens, or a cuddly chicken, there's always something beautiful unfolding. From my flock, herd, and heart to yours, walk in faith. God bless. We'll see you next time.